Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama ko aba Sandy Home Recipe. Nde di kan a wo hwe video a mema rem to subscribe. Na wa share. No emi notification bell no. Say the video bia beto a wonsa beka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Nwesu say be fried turkey wings. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Let's start with a turkey wing. With the blended onion, garlic, ginger, bell pepper, rosemary, anise. All pepper seasoning, salt to taste, chicken seasoning. Add little water. Now I'm mixing it together. Put the akwache fridge for 2 to 3 hours. And now on pensua. Wait my no straightforward. We be bua am wanya more taste. We under good saucepan we be no wom. Now the akwesi jar so anoa. Wo ho anu enum se di na be bin ye. I am ready na watwe. Na wakwachi wo medium hot oil mu. Wo ho anu atene se de enhye na nyina so be bempe. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. I am ready. No yefi and when you akwa serve. Me ye na me tasty ye no. It tastes really great. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our fried turkey wings. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.